You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this interesting word. I love this word and it's confusing, and I love confusing words. If you want to learn more names from anatomy, stay tuned. Pronounced in English as fovea. Yes, this is a part of the eye, the retina, and fovea is the English pronunciation. British English and American English pronunciations are similar as fovea. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.